everyone, welcome back to my channel Novelland's Everything. Today I am sharing something really special. My new journaling kit. It is filled with warm brown tones, cozy vintage vibes and thoughtful little details. Let me show you what's inside. And at the end of this video, I'll decorate one full journal page using everything from the kit. So stay with me till the end of the video. First are these 3 memo pads. The one with butterflies, one with floral handwriting and one with soft vintage designs. The colors are peaceful and calming. There are 2 washi tapes. One is plain solid brown and the other one has musical notes, a flower pot and even some tiny handwritten text. They match the whole kit perfectly. Next, there are some sticker sheets. There are some sticker sheets right over here. See? Mostly in brown colors and neutrals. There are dots, labels, postmarks, and even one sticker that looks like a logo. It was actually part of the plastic packaging. I cut it out and made it into a sticker. There are a bunch of vintage journaling papers too. There are some bookmarks, some envelopes, and some more cards over here. Some more cards. More cards. There are a lot of cards in here. Whoa. The main journal and some more tiny cards right over here. There are a lot of things in here. There is a tiny pouch that contains the tiny stickers in there, and including the company logo sticker. There's also a larger pouch that contains some cards. There are 2 envelopes, that one has a rose and one has a butterfly. Both are so beautiful and pretty. There are also some extra pieces like bookmarks, lot of cards, and the main journaling pad. The whole kit is peaceful and perfect for slow journaling. It is soft, inspiring, and totally my style. Thank you so much for watching, and in part 2 we will make one page in the journaling book using all of the kits. So don't forget to like, subscribe and come back to part 2. Bye.